Hey there, welcome to Travelers Backpacker. Myself, Nikhil over here. So today we are at Karnataka, Mangaluru, and we are at Malnadu. And this is also known to be a rainforest of Western Ghats. And today we are at the place called Gomanteshwara. Gomanteshwara is also known to be a Buddha. You can see the statue behind me. And today I'm here with my family, friends, and all my relatives over here. So I'm going to view. So today is the video which is being dedicated for the complete family of our Karnataka. So today I'm going to view you, all my family friends. Let's go.
Welcome to Karnataka. The sixth largest state in India has been ranked as the third most populous state in the country for its tourism. It is home to 507 of the 3,600 central protected monuments in India, the largest number after Uttar Pradesh. The State Directorate of Archaeology and Museum protects an additional 752 monuments and another 25,000 monuments are yet to receive protection. Tourism Center on ancient sculpture temples, modern cities, the hill ranges, forests and beaches. Broadly, tourism in Karnataka can be divided into four geographical regions: Northern Karnataka, the hill stations, Coastal Karnataka, and the South Karnataka. Gomanteshwara statue, Karkala, is located in Karkala in the state of Karnataka. It is the second tallest statue of Bahubali in the world, with the largest statue located at Shravanabelagula. The Gomanteshwara statue at Karkala was built in 1432 CE by Veera Pandya Bhairarasa Vadayar of Santara dynasty on advice from Lalita Kirti. The Bhataraka of Karkala Jain Mata, the statue was inspired from the largest Gomanteshwara statue at Shravanabelagula, built in 983 CE. The idol of Lord Bahubali, carved out of single rock of granite, is 42 feet tall and 10.33 feet wide and is said to be the second largest statue of Bahubali in the world. The idol is placed on the 5 feet pedestal and enclosed by cloistered prakaram. In the entrance room, a few sculptures of Tirthakarasa are displayed. In front of the temple is a Manastamba with the image of Yaksha with a niche. The statue is depicted in Kayosarga posture and curly hair ringlet, large ears, palm stretching up to the knees. The idol weight of over 80 tons. It is located 300 feet, which means 91 meters above the sea level. Gomanteshwara statue at Shravanabelagula, Dharmasthala, Vennur, Gomatagiri, along with the one in Karkala, are 5 monolithic statues of Bahubali in Karnataka. The monolithic colossal statue of Bahubali at Shravanabelagula, Karkala and Vennur are considered as wonder of the world.
I have one more guest over here, and he's a YouTuber from Bengaluru. His name is Manu, and he does all the biking vlogs. So he is my brother actually, Manu to mine. How are you, bro? Good. So he has a good collection of bike, guys. So you guys might be, how was your journey? And thank you so much. I met you today and being a brother, and this is our first time to meet, and we are doing the vlog over here. So what would you suggest our bike riders across the India, like what they need to concentrate when they are driving on Indian roads, and we have a lot of highways over here. So what do you suggest for the Indian bike riders?
It's not about only riding, just taking a bike and just going for a spin. That doesn't matter. But all you need to be very cautious to make sure you have a proper gears. When we're talking about gears, it's just safety for your helmet, and then comes the knee pads and the gloves. So that's most important. No matter which CC vehicle you're riding or wherever you're heading to, just make sure you have a proper helmet, a decent helmet, not just the cap helmet. I would recommend a decent price helmet, more than 1,000. That I think ISI certified helmet, that will be really good sense of riding. So that's all about it. But when nowadays it's slippery, it's raining everywhere, so make sure you don't do a rash driving. Just be safe while you're riding. Take right precautions. That's most important.
So Manu, I just have one more question with you. Like as you've been driving across India and you've been coming to Mangaluru since very long time, right? What do you suggest about this place actually over here, and what is the specialty of this Mangaluru and the across this borders over here, and what kind of beauty can the travelers expect if they are going to commute to this place, and what would be the good way of commuting? I mean the transportation to visit this place.
So transportation, you can come by bikes, cars, still fine. It's a nice city, nice place, nice beaches all over. So you can visit those places. And most best part is ghee roast. Guys, don't miss ghee roast here. And there's another restaurant. I'm though not promoting here, but however, Machli, the name of the restaurant.
Okay.
Machli or Mirchi, I'm not sure.
Okay.
But that restaurant is yummy. You guys need to try in Mangalore, and best beaches. That's where you can explore, and this is one of the places we have come here, and a couple of places which we are going to visit. We're going to put across in the same video, so you guys can check and drop in. Schedule your time, because it's rainy and COVID situations. Please follow social distancing. Yes, we are not wearing masks for now, just for you guys, and but please guys, wear your mask. Be on a safety precautions.
But also, guys, one more thing, as Manu said, the safety is important for us, and you got to make sure the safety comes first for everyone, as this COVID pandemic situation has dragged everybody's life into difficulties. And I would also suggest each one of you to wear the mask, be sanitized, and maintain the social distance. And it's very hard to maintain the social distance between the family, but also this is a precaution for you guys, so that you guys also be safe, so that your family members also going to be safe. Okay guys, and thank you so much Mr. Manu to be on my video actually. And the link, and there'll be a video coming up, and the link to his channel is given in the description, guys. So please do, whoever is watching my video, my family, Travelers Backpacker family, please do check his videos and get go ahead and subscribe his channel. And he has a good, excellent bike riding videos and everything. So if you have any suggestion regarding the bike riding or anything, you can definitely contact him, and there'll be an email ID and the contact details which will be given in the description too. And I would recommend all the Indians, actually all the Indian bikers, I know many of you, most of my friends are fans of Mr. Manu. You guys know that, right? So yeah, today I'm with him. So he's my cousin brother. So it's great that we have two YouTubers in our family, and we are the startup of it. But we know that we are going to go to miles, and his channel name is Manu to Miles. Manu to Miles. You see how the miles are like miles. It is a limited sky. Exactly. It is not a limited sky, but sky is the limit for that. So let me put that word in the right way. So thank you so much, Manu. It's a pleasure to meet you up. And we'll be doing a lot of videos together. I hope in future we'll be doing some international trips together. So pleasure, Mike. Thank you so much. So guys, today I met my subscriber from Karnataka, Karkala. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಹನುಮಂತ. ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು? ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ನೀವು ಏನಾನ ಸಜೆಷನ್ ಕೊಡಂಗಿದ್ಯಾ? ನನ್ನ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಏನಾನ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಹಂಗೇನಾ? ಸೊ ಗೈಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ I'm doing the videos great, and he wants the same thing to be continued. So thank you so much, Hanumant. ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು? ಪ್ರವೀಣ್. So he is a friend of Praveen. ನೀವು ಬನ್ನಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು? ಸಿದ್ದೇಶ್ವರ. So it's actually surprising for me. This is the second time I'm meeting my subscribers, and thank you so much, guys. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do go ahead and subscribe, guys. And there's a freebies which is going to be released very soon, and you can win a package to Kerala, 1 night stay in houseboat. So see you with lot of visuals. Thank you, Guru. So guys, we have Ramu Nanjundappa. Actually, he's a tour coordinator of Bangalore. If you guys want to book any tour packages like domestic All India permit, and actually he's known as All India permit. Actually, this All India permit is only given for the road transportation, but he is a transporter and he takes lot of people into the tour. And if you guys wanted to coordinate any local tours or anything in Bangalore, I have Mr. Ramu Nanjundappa over here. Hello, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ರಾಮು ನಂಜುಂಡಪ್ಪ ಅವರೇ. ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ನೀವು ಇದು ಟೂರಿಸಂ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
20 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಹೌದಾ? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ದು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಸುಮಾರು ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೊಂದು 6 ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ.
ಓಕೆ.
ನಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 100 ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಹೋಗಿದೆ.
ಓಕೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಒಂದೊಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ?
ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 30 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ.
30 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಕಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ?
ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಬೈ ಏರ್, ಬೈ ಟ್ರೈನ್.
ಓಕೆ.
ಅವ್ರ ಪ್ಯಾಸೆಂಜರ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ, ಅವ್ರ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ, ಆ ರೀತಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ.
ಓಕೆ. ಈ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಬಂದಿದೆಯಲ್ವಾ, ಈ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಟೂರಿಸಮ್ಗೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? ಸೊ ಗೈಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಸ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್, ಐ ಆಸ್ಡ್ ದಮ್ ಹೌ ವಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ his clients and the tourism in Karnataka. So let's hear it from Mr. Ramu.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಇಡೀ ಭಾರತ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತುಂಬ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಟೂರಿಸ್ಟ್ನವ್ರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಏಟ್ ಬಿದ್ದಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ಯಾವುದು ಹೋಟ್ಲ್ಗೆ, ಬಸ್ಸಿಗೆ, ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇದೆ. ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಯಾರು ಜನ ಹೆದರ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಯಾರು ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತಾಯಿಲ್ಲ. ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಟೂರಿಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗೋದು, ಜನ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೂರಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಇವಾಗ ಜನಗಳಿಗೆ ಏನು ಸಜೆಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ? ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್, ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ದ ಸಜೆಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹೂ ವಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ರೈಟ್?
ಸಜೆಷನ್ಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೇಳಿರೋ ಪ್ರಕಾರ, ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಇಂಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಧೈರ್ಯವಾಗಿರಿ, ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟೈಸರ್ನ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛತೆಯನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡಿ, ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೊಂದು ತೊಂದರೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಸುರಕ್ಷಿತವಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ದೇಶ ಸುರಕ್ಷಿತವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
Okay. Main person of this tour, she's a sponsorer. Her name is Ratna. Okay, she's my aunt. So, auntie, how did you enjoy your trip? Okay. So, auntie, what would you like to say about this place where your son has come over here, right? So, this is also his second home in Karkala. So, what do you want to say about this place?
See, Nikhil, ನನಗೆ ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಾಗಿ. ಒನ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ವರೆಗೂ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನನ್ನ ಮಗಯಿಂದ ಕಾರ್ಕಳಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದ್ವಿ. ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಕಾರ್ಕಳ ಹುಡುಗಿನ ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಅವನ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಕಾರ್ಕಳ ಸೂಪರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸು. ವಿ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ಡ್ ಎ ಲಾಟ್. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇದು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗೋಮಟೇಶ್ವರಾಗಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ವಿ. ಈಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡಿ, ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಕಾರ್ಕಳ ಓಲ್ಡೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೋಮಟೇಶ್ವರ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಸೊ.
Okay.
ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
Great. Thank you so much, auntie. Thank you for the coordination.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ನಿಖಿಲ್.
ತುಂಬ ನೀವೇನು ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಹೇಳಿ?
ಸೂಪರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ನಿಖಿಲ್.
ಹೌದಾ?
ಫುಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್. ನೈಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, ಗುಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್.
Great.
ಎಂಜಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಏನೋ.
ಅಯ್ಯ. ಸೊ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ತುಂಬ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡಾಗಿ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಸೇರಿದ್ವಿ. ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಇತ್ತು. ತುಂಬ ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಇದು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಮರೆಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ದಿನ.
ತುಂಬಾ ನಮಗೆ ಖುಷಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಒಂಥರ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಮೂಡಲ್ಲಿದ್ವಿ. ಮೈಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೂಪರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಂದಿರೋದು. ನಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಗನ ಮದುವೆ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ತುಂಬ ಗೊಮಟೇಶ್ವರ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನವಿಲು ತುಂಬ ನವಿಲುಗಳಿತ್ತು, ನೋಡ್ದು ಭಾಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು.
ಹೆಂಗೆ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ?
ನಾವು ಇದೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿರೋದು.
ಓಕೆ.
ನಮ್ಮ ತಮ್ಮನ ಮಗನ ಮದುವೆಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಮನೆ, ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲೇಸು. ನಮಗಂತೂ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾಯಿತು. ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೈಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಬಂದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ರಾತ್ರಿ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಏನು ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು. ಆಗಲಿ ಅದು.
ನಮ್ಮ ಸೊಸೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಹಾಂ,
ನಮ್ಮ ಸೊಸೆ ಊರಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಸೊಸೆ ಊರು ಇನ್ನೂ ಇದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ತಿಂದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಗೇನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೋ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್.
Great. So he is my uncle. He is Mr. Ravi. So ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಎಂದಾತಿದ್ದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಣ್ಣ, ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತು ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಪು? ಹೆಂಗೆ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಓಕೆ.
ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಇವತ್ತು.
ಓಕೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಓ ಗ್ರೇಟ್.
ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
Great. So guys,
today I've been enjoyed nicely. I've been got for early morning went for the Anantanamba Padmanabha temple, and yeah, that's a good darshan. And also we have been went to the Shravana Jain's temple. It's very good for the family coming for this trips. We can enjoy.
mummy,
ಮನೆ
നന്നായിട്ടുണ്ട്. എനിക്ക് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടത് ഇവിടുത്തെ അമ്പലവും നാച്ചുറൽ സൂപ്പറായിട്ടുണ്ട്. പറഞ്ഞറിയിക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല. ഫാമിലി ഫുൾ എൻജോയ്. എന്ത് സന്തോഷം എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞറിയിക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല. എങ്ങനെ പറഞ്ഞറിയിക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല.
See, my family is over here. So I'm going to sign out from Karkala, Mangaluru over here. So we are going to go to the next destination back in Mangaluru. We are going to meet you over there in the resort at Mangaluru. See you over there. Till then, bye-bye from Nikhil. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, Travelers Backpacker, please do go ahead and like, share and subscribe, guys. And please do follow me on Facebook and Instagram. And there's going to be a freebies which is going to come up very soon. And meet you soon over there. Till then, bye-bye from Nikhil.
ಟ್ರಾವೆಲರ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕರ್ಸ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.